So I have this theory that Quicksilver from the X-Men isn't actually a speedster, but an unaware time traveler. And here's why. So, as you know, in mutant families, it's common for the X gene to pass along, but usually it stays like within the same like type of it. Like, as you'll see with like Xavier's kids, they tend to be telepaths, or if it's like a physical attribute, it tends to be something like that, like Cyclops and Havoc. But with Quicksilver, his seems to be physical, whereas Magneto is obviously a mental power because he's not just naturally magnetic, he has to think about it. And obviously with the Scarlet Witch, it is a mental power. So it makes sense that Quicksilver's was a mental power, but it seems to be physical. So how could he be a time traveler? Well, there are, in physics, 10 known dimensions, and we only perceive, I think, 3.5, the half being that time only moves forward. I think that he actually perceives the entirety of the time. So he can see backwards. So when he's going fast, he is actually moving backward in the past versus everyone else who's going forward. That's why he sees him moving slowly. It's because he's moving backwards, but because no one knows, you know, that's how the timeline moves. No one can be like, oh, it's because you're a time traveler versus you're a speedster. Because to them, it seems like he's going fast too because they cannot perceive him going backward. And yes, his suit makes it so there's not the resistance, but his skin would also be met with resistance. So that's why I think he's an unaware time traveler.